Just want to do a quick video on cleaning certain Ubiquiti wireless access points. And this particular one is a UAP-AC-LR. Now this came from a warehouse environment and it's really dirty and dusty. This particular series, the AC series, has like a horrible rubberized coating for whatever reason. And it gets dirty easy. And I've tried a couple things to clean it. So this is a bottle of water, sealed. No magic tricks here, and just cracked it open. And you can try water. Woo! But as you can see, it's not at all effective. Nothing came off. Practically nothing. Turn on the flashlight. Yeah, practically nothing came off. And then I have no name brand ice glass cleaner. I'm going to hit this spot here, spray it on, and then just try to wipe it off. And you can tell it helped a little. Let's try this dirtier spot right here. But thing is still filthy. So this spot here is still dry. We haven't touched it yet. Just for the sake of being scientific, new paper towel for different chemical. This is just 91% rubbing alcohol. And I found this works the best. If you just let it drizzle over the edge like that, let it run off, and you wipe it. And as you can see, it's night and day. Because there are like fingerprint marks down the side, basically, from somebody grabbing it. And yeah, if you let the rubbing alcohol run down the side, it might take multiple applications. You might also have to swap out for a new paper towel, kind of clean things up. But yeah, this just works really good. It seems to work better if you spray it on the AP, and like paper towel's a little wet too with the rubbing alcohol. But it's the only thing that I've found that really works, especially with this stuff once it gets like baked in like this. Eventually, with enough wiping, you can basically get these to the point where they're mostly white. You don't want to wipe them too hard because this is a coating. But it does take some pressure. Since this is rubbing alcohol, you shouldn't have to worry too much about getting inside there, but obviously don't just like fill the thing full of rubbing alcohol. You don't want to soak it. But this is still going to take some more cleaning. But as you can tell, it's a lot whiter than it used to be. Somehow dust got all the way in there. So with that, I'm going to drench this little fold here. And you can just kind of squeeze the paper towel in there and get in there. I believe this light cap is somewhat sealed from the board. So if you were to try to fill this with rubbing alcohol, I don't believe it'd get to the board. But I still wouldn't go crazy and try to fill that cavity with rubbing alcohol. But yeah, it should help. With some of these, I've noticed that the coating is degraded to the point where it's kind of sticky. Not much you can do about that other than use either chemical that'll rip that coating off and expose the bare plastic, or you can rub it off eventually. But yeah, not perfect, but pretty much as clean as it could be. Looks like there's a little bit of, but a lot better than it was. So hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.